Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. I wanted to get on here really quickly and do an unboxing. I know I've kind of stopped doing them here on Instagram. Most of my unboxings nowadays are pretty much on my YouTube channel, but I've got two packages that I have been holding on to that I received when I was recovering from surgery, and one of them I'm going to open, the other one I'm going to wait because I'm going to do a real one. So this is a shirt that Miss Selena here on Instagram so kindly sent to me, and you see I didn't forget about you. It's still unopened. Of course I just wasn't in the position to like really open any packages and kind of look at them and try them on and everything, so I didn't forget about you. Thank you so very much for sending that to me. But I'm gonna wait and probably do a reel or something here on Instagram, so look out for that. This is a package that I received. I know this is a PR package. I'm not quite sure what it is because there is no there's no name on it. It just has fragile, and it's some type of liquid, and then the other side is just my information. I do know that this is from Influencer, but I don't know what brand it is from. So we are going to open this today. Since it's just one thing and not like a whole slew of items, I figured that it would be fun to kind of do an unboxing here. So let's see what we've got. Okay, put that there. Okay, y'all. My phone had stopped recording, so I was talking for a minute until I realized I wasn't recording anymore because I ran out of storage. So I had to clear out some stuff on my phone, so I'm sorry. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Okay, so yes, this is a PR package. This is from Ole Henriksen. I've never heard of this before, like I said. This is Utopia. Okay, this is a night treatment. So it is skincare. Like I said, this is the inside. This is the PR package, how it looks when it got to me. This is, okay, this is a smoothing serum that works while you sleep. So this is what that looks like. And the inside, okay, these are just things that I need to do to finish out this campaign. So this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty straightforward. So this is a smoothing serum. Like I said, it smooths out texture. And this is the Utopia night treatment. It overhauls texture and reduces the look of dark spots, pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. So exactly what I need with me being in my mid-30s. So this will be good to try. I'm excited about this. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the products here. I hope that that is not putting too much of a glare. And it just has this little pump here. And it's like a lemon, like a citrusy. It looks like this. It feels really, really nice. It feels very nice, and it seems like it's going into my skin very nicely. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like lemon pie. It smells really, really good. Okay. So, yes, let me see how to use this. So, it's just a face serum. At night, apply evenly to face and neck. For external use only, blah, 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 blah. Okay. It's not really telling me if I use this. I'm guessing that I would just use this after I clean my face. So after I wash my face and everything, I guess I would just put this on without any moisturizer, I'm guessing. The back of it is not really saying. I don't know. I feel like I kind of need to look this up, and yeah, I feel like I kind of need to look this up and get more information about it. Okay, it does say at night, apply evenly to face and neck. You may experience mild tingling. Yeah, I'm not sure. It doesn't really say, but I'm feeling like that's all it is like I would just clean my face and I would just put this on. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I'm gonna kind of play around with this for a little while. Maybe like a week or so, and then get back with y'all and let y'all know what I thought about this. If you have used this brand before or used this product, comment down below and let me know how you liked it, if you used any other products from this line or from this brand, and how you liked everything. But yeah, I'm definitely interested to try this because I have been really needing to find like and get a really good skin regimen. So this will be good. And like I said, I like the fact that it does help with texture and dark spots, because I do have, you probably can't tell because of makeup and like massive amounts of lighting, but I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. Especially I've noticed from the time that I was recovering, I was under a lot of stress, and my face broke out so terribly. And they're starting to get back better now, but of course I do have that hyperpigmentation in some spots on my face. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this and definitely get back with y'all and let you know. So yeah, that is for that. I went out the other day and I told y'all that I was working on my Poshmark. So I have still trying to get in the swing of things. I'm gonna probably I will be starting back work slowly this week. So I've got a lot of stuff going on, just trying to get back to normal. But I bought this super fun, I know the feathers are gonna go everywhere, this super soft baby pink piece of fabric. So I think I'm going to use this on my Poshmark to kind of lay things down, like jewelry pieces and everything. And then I bought hot glue sticks. I always need hot glue sticks. And then I found this little bedazzled, let's see if you can see it. There we go. This little bedazzled little trend. And I'm going to use this for an upcoming DIY. So look out for that. I hopefully it will work the way that I think it's going to work and look the way I think it's gonna look. But yeah, I'm excited about that. So that'll be an upcoming DIY on my YouTube channel. But anyway, that is all, y'all. I just had that I just had this PR package that I wanted to show y'all. And like I said, I will definitely be getting back and letting y'all know how everything, how I'm liking this product. I will try to do before and afters. And like I said, it's probably going to be maybe like a week. I don't know. It doesn't really say when you're supposed to use results or see results. I'm sorry. Yeah, it doesn't really say when you're supposed to see results. But anyway, I'll link this down below so that if you are familiar with this brand and you would like to pick it up or look it up so you can get more information and better clarity, it'll be linked below. But anyway, that is all, y'all. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.